Hey there! Today we got a mini tin and a 2-pack blister out of the Pokemon vending machine. Again, I bought this for $4.19, which is basically you get the Rebel Clash for free, which was great. So we got Darkness Ablaze and Rebel Clash in here. And then in the mini tin, I don't remember what comes in these. So, I know you get a coin and some. Get a coin. But I don't remember what packs come in this. Let's see here. We got the Galarian Ponyta. You get the Zorua coin. Sword and Shield, and Sun and Moon. So nice, 4 different packs, 4 different sets. Put that there. If you collect them all, you get the special artwork, but I'm not worried about that. So we will once again go in order. I like Sun and Moon. Hopefully get a secret rare energy. That would be nice. Not holding my breath for that, but we shall see. So go ahead and give you the code card for that. Energy, Psychic. We got Rattata, Snubble, Makita, Cutiefly. Energy Retrieval. Reverse Great Ball in the rare. Hariyama. Okay, so on to Sword and Shield. Darkness Energy. Let's see here. Salandit. Ponyta. Did we get a Ponyta? Oh, we got this Ponyta. Yeah. Minchino, Sobble, Blipbug, Bede, Raboot, Rare Candy. It's always nice to have when you're actually playing the game. It's really hard to play a Stage 2 deck without it. And Raichu. So no good pulls yet, but 2 more packs left. So let's see if the vending machine packs will help us out here. Ooh. Got something good at least a holo. Can't remember what I still need out of Rebel Clash. Oh well. Farfetch'd, Honedge, Temple, Heatmore, Moripeko, Scoop Up Net, Reverse Holo, Rare, Butterfree, and ooh, very nice. It's always nice to get a ultra rare. Last pack of the day from Darkness Ablaze. Blast Energy, Fire. Okay, so we got Starly. Let's move these out of the way. Skarmory, Pansage, Electrike, Fletchings, Flaffy. That's a cute little artwork. Is that an exploding mountain? I don't know what that is. Reverse Rose and the rare. Well, we got one decent card. It's fun. I got these. These are normally $10. I bought a 10-pack for like $65 or $60. So, if you're looking around on the internet, you can find stuff for below retail. So definitely look around. But anyways, bye.